ndị chega achịachịara ya afọ onye kulite ya gbafuo onye Igbo nweta visa ịga Amerịka ya ga mee Thanksgiving jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ onye Amerịka nweta visa ịbịa ala Igbo ọ na-aga Thanksgiving jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ onye Igbo nweta visa ịga Italy ya ga mee Thanksgiving jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ ma an Italian chi bịa ala Igbo ma ọ na-aga Thanksgiving. Something is wrong somewhere, and that is leadership. Maka chọpụtara n'ala Igbo taa site na House of Assembly, House of Reps, Senators and Governors ndị anyị tinyere ahịa si ha ga-agotere anyị azụ ha gawa ahịa kpọrọ oke tige n'ime akpa gawa ahịa ga-egotere anyị azụ. Ụmụ ibe Labour gị nye ya ego si ya na ọ na-aga nkwọ na biko ya lọtara ya gotetụrụ gị azụ gị nye ya ego ya aga nwụrụ oke tige n'ime akpa ọ ga-eji etinyere gị azụ ọ ga-egotere gị. That is the description of the Igbo leaders. They have failed in its entirety. Another thing very, very important, now Igbo leaders, House of Reps, House of Assembly, Senators, former governors, former ministers, non-various community, have meeting. Every month, they call the youth. Na town hall. But the PG, see, they try to buy you to go have bank. They try to get the problem anyway. Have already. Maka a big gap between the youth and the elders. Etc. And the elder they want to hear for Matakare, Gawa, Yagoria, no dagger. All the process of sensational leadership. Man, today the gap between the Igbo elders and the Igbo youth is like from here, Gawa London. Oh, a very big problem. And that is why I didn't crisis. Because all of the elders never got time for this youth. And we go to them with a more behavior, has so you see, and I'm going to go to it, and I plan a company, a major daughter, and Manasubano, the Ebola meeting. Give now that if plan, how was it? You want to know, no, the way, but what I say, man. There was a very big gap between the elders and the youth. And then they clear time. Now, one of the Igbo elders, over the youth, bring their head together, discuss one with them. Okay, when the youth gave the two and the elders also. Maka they have pushed the youth to the wall. Ndi was in a only man who's over 1 hour and we go with it. So their experience is very, very important. And you cannot tap from their experience except when they are close, when we have meeting, when we have interaction with them. What is very, very important. Any Igbo elder, today, my governors or my senators, all of them, they should go home and address the youth. Today is 5th of December 2020. I said, no, I come, never practice no feta or akamatu. Kaipidone in a 2-way watching, which in a chicken. Maka, and what those in other. Oturukum Manakufu, our elders have an opportunity to bring the youth and interact together so that we can chart the way forward for Igbo and the Nigeria.